Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sort of left and right video trend on CapCut. So you can just use templates. Go to this search button and select this one, left and right, and select the one you want to use. So I'm going to use this specific template, and I'm just going to select use template and select my pictures. So I'm just going to choose this one. And once I'm done, I'm just going to select preview and wait for the effects to load. And this is what it'll look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!